Remember the days when air power meant massive jets soaring through the sky? Those days might be numbered. Enter CATS Alpha, India's very own autonomous drone swarm poised to redefine modern warfare. Imagine a pack of highly intelligent, interconnected drones, smaller than a car, working together to outmaneuver and outsmart the enemy. That's CATS Alpha in a nutshell. A force multiplier that's turning heads and raising eyebrows in military circles worldwide. CATS Alpha isn't just a cool name, it stands for Combat Air Teaming System. Developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, this homegrown marvel is putting India on the map as a major player in drone technology. But what makes CATS Alpha so special? It's not just about individual drones, it's about the power of the collective, the magic of swarm intelligence. At the heart of CATS Alpha lies cutting-edge swarm intelligence, allowing these drones to operate as a single, coordinated unit. Think of it like a hive mind, sharing information and making decisions in real time. CATS Alpha boasts a modular design, customizable with different payloads. And let's not forget about stealth. Designed to be difficult to detect on radar, perfect for sneaking behind enemy lines. This combination makes CATS Alpha a formidable force on the modern battlefield. So, what can CATS Alpha actually do on the battlefield? In short, a lot. These drones are incredibly versatile, capable of carrying out a wide range of missions. Need eyes in the sky? CATS Alpha can conduct surveillance and reconnaissance missions. This information is crucial for commanders making tactical decisions. But CATS Alpha isn't just about surveillance. These drones can also be armed, turning them into a potent offensive force. Need to take out a high-value target? CATS Alpha can do that. Need to disrupt enemy convoys? CATS Alpha is your wingman. Its ability to strike quickly and accurately makes it a valuable asset. And let's not forget about electronic warfare. CATS Alpha can jam enemy communications and disrupt radar systems. The use of drone swarms like CATS Alpha offers several strategic advantages in modern warfare. Firstly, it reduces the risk to human pilots. Let's face it, sending pilots into harm's way is always a risky proposition. With CATS Alpha, you're essentially taking the human element out of dangerous missions, saving lives and reducing casualties. Secondly, CATS Alpha is incredibly cost-effective. Traditional fighter jets are expensive to develop, maintain, and operate. CATS Alpha, on the other hand, offers a more affordable solution, allowing militaries to field a larger and more capable force without breaking the bank. It's like getting a whole squadron of fighter jets for the price of one. Finally, CATS Alpha's swarm intelligence and autonomous capabilities make it a game-changer in terms of speed and efficiency. These drones can react to changing battlefield conditions much faster than humans, making decisions and taking actions in real time. This agility and adaptability give CATS Alpha a significant advantage over traditional air assets. The development of CATS Alpha is just the beginning. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and capable drone swarms in the future. Imagine swarms of miniaturized drones, barely visible to the naked eye, infiltrating enemy territory and carrying out covert operations. Or picture swarms of larger, heavily armed drones, capable of overwhelming enemy defenses with a coordinated barrage of firepower. The possibilities are truly endless. We could see CATS Alpha drones equipped with directed energy weapons, hypersonic missiles, or even artificial intelligence so advanced that they can operate completely autonomously, without any human intervention. The future of warfare is looking increasingly automated, and CATS Alpha is at the forefront of this revolution. The induction of CATS Alpha into the Indian Air Force, IAF, has significant implications. It not only enhances the IAF's capabilities, but also sends a strong message to potential adversaries. With CATS Alpha, the IAF can project power more effectively, deter aggression, and safeguard India's interests in a rapidly changing geopolitical landscape. CATS Alpha's versatility makes it an ideal platform for a wide range of missions, from border patrol and counterinsurgency operations to full-scale conventional warfare. Its ability to operate in swarms, coupled with its advanced capabilities, gives the IAF a decisive edge in any potential conflict. The future of warfare is here, and with CATS Alpha, the Indian Air Force is ready to take flight.